is sectioning into 4 quarters. So first, we need the tail comb or the comb to divide the section into 4 before we start hair cutting. Do not cut the hair without sectioning because it will not go straight upon the finished product. Okay, so first we will do the sectioning in the top layer of the hair. So it can be right or left side. It's either, but it should be upward before downwards. So we will do the first layer of the hair. So divide the hair into straight parts. First is dividing it into first sectioning of the hair with the use of the tail comb to make it straight sections. Straight sectioning is very essential in any different salon procedures because it enables the treatment, the haircut to be equally parted so that the hair will be straight. The treatment, example, we have the hair coloring, the ribbon, the hair color, the perming, and any treatment, it should be straight and equally divided into 4. So that's rolling the hair so that the hair will not be cut because it's not sectioned so well. So it's the one that we're avoiding, to cut that hair which is not sectioned properly. Okay, that is the first section. Ayan, by our client Mika and Julianne as her operator. This school year 2023 and 2024, they are section ipil-ipil. So they are my gorgeous students. Ayan, they are all beautiful. And then we are proceeding now with our second sectioning, which is again upper portion of the ear going to the second section, L-shaped sectioning of the hair, which is for the second sectioning. Now we are rolling the hair so that it will be tied up by our sectioning clips. So they are now sectioning. So Rose, are you done with the 4 sections? And as we can see, we have remained 1 section to start the hair cutting. So this is the first section to start the hair cutting. Very good. And next. Now we are proceeding for our third sectioning. So as you can see, the sectioning is so straight so that the hair cutting will be easily cut. So we are proceeding to the third section. The third and fourth sections are for the lower areas of the hair, which for the fourth section, we're going to leave a certain portion of hair to cut first. So it should be in the center of the nape of our client. So the third section, we're not going to leave any strands of hair, but for the fourth section, we're going to leave something so that we will start the hair cutting procedure or the ribbon, the hair color, any treatment that we will do. So we're going to retain for the fourth sectioning. But for the third, we are not going to leave any strands of hair. Okay. So we will just leave a certain portion of the hair to start the hair cutting. Okay. And we will use the hairspray, the water sprayer, so that it will be wet. But for the procedure, we will do first shampooing of the hair, and then next is draping. But before we do draping, we have to ensure that the hair will be blown dry, or we will use the blow dryer to dry the hair so that it is not too wet during the hair cutting procedure. So now we are on our fourth sections, which is the operator Julie is leaving a certain portion of the hair for the first section of hair cutting. So we are done for the fourth sections of the hair. So now we will need the scissors to cut straight the hair. So that is the sectioning. So this is for the last section. So there you go. So we have now the certain portion of the hair for hair cutting. So that is it. That is sectioning and draping. And now the next procedure is for haircut. So that's it. Goodbye. Say goodbye.